Welcome back to another episode of T&Z's Adventures, and guess who we got in the mail today? Brand new stickers with our website on there, and that will link you to the YouTube page that you're on right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We also today decided to go and get ourselves toys, so check it out. Get your little thing.
They're gonna think God knows what toys. You should clarify.
So we went to the RayBan store and got these new
RayBan
stories. So we are gonna do an unboxing with you guys. Wanna dig into it? Which one?
Yeah, I got round and you got meteor.
Meteor, so they're different. Let's see how it goes. How's yours come off so easily?
No, Tara, no.
Oh. The red tab is not for pulling.
It's always no, Tara, no.
I thought you're supposed to pull it. Why is there a red tab? That's stupid.
That's to pull out of this
packaging.
thing. Well, maybe. Maybe not.
Yeah, maybe. I'm scared kind of. How do you... Oh, there you go. Look, it's a little terry thing right there.
Oops. Wow. Okay.
There we go.
Okay. Now you can pull it.
There we go.
Okay. I got it.
Comes just like this. So right when you open it, it says to download the Facebook app. So we will do that here in a second.
Oh wow, these are really fancy.
And this is the case that it comes into with the charging port.
Yeah.
So they said make sure you don't lose that because I don't know how else you'll charge them. It feels leathery.
I know. Should we open?
Ooh, the light came on. Yeah. Did your light come on in the front?
Yeah. But it's really... Oh, wow. These are badass glasses.
They're kind of light. They're way lighter than I expected.
Yeah, they are. Oh. Let me see. Oh my god, I love them.
You love them?
Uh-huh.
So the cool thing about these are they have a touch on the side so you can record, you can take a picture, all of that. The camera on these are actually right here on both sides.
Man, I love them.
And then they have speakers on the inside here. So one right there.
Wow.
One right there. We are gonna download.
Oh, I think you touch it up here to take a picture.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's a little button.
So we're gonna download the app, test it, and tell you guys what we think. So apparently these are also supposed to be the transitions. So
yeah, so when you go outside, they're gonna change the color.
So maybe we'll...
They're just a little bit more expensive than...
Go outside before it gets dark. Yeah. You liking those?
I feel like
you like them.
You wanna try
Oh
it?
yeah, let's try.
Oh, wow.
All right,
Oh,
we
you look
will
cute.
tell you what happens soon. So I decided to go outside with these new RayBan stories on because apparently they're supposed to be transition glasses. I don't feel like much is transitioning though. Doesn't seem like it's getting any darker, is it? I'm not sure. So I don't know. We'll test it out when it's a little bit more sunny tomorrow too, but it's probably 7:20 p.m. right now, so I don't know, guys. I'll let you know.
I love them. I love that they're clear.
Okay, let's weigh them. So our children told us that they think these are much heavier than the other ones, and I think they're light, so we got our handy dandy food scale out and we're gonna test it. All right, so...
We got our drug dealer scale.
Our drug dealer, that's great. All right, we're gonna get these right here. These are the stories. Stick them here on our scale. And it looks like 0.17. All right, want to give me the other ones? These are like our regular RayBans that we just use. 0.17.
Wow.
So that was the meteor. Let me try yours. Yep. These are the what? Which kind of
round?
Round. Oh, everything.
Wow.
I am really impressed.
Huh.
So we downloaded the app, the Facebook View app, and Z is going through all the directions and pointing everything out. So when you turn on the app, it asks you to slide the power button and wait for a light. So we're gonna actually do that so you can see.
Yeah, power button is right there. You just slide it. And then you have to wait for LED to turn on green, which is green right here. And then we're gonna do the next step. Put your glasses in pairing mode.
Okay, how do you do that? Slide and hold the power button for 5 seconds and release when the light blinks blue. 3, 4, 5. Oh, there you go, it's blue, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it paired, found them.
Yay!
That's pretty cool.
Select, activating. Hold on. Pair. Ooh, this is exciting.
Activating, let's see what happens. Okay, tell me what it is.
Okay, so this is microphone.
Oh, their actual RayBan right there.
Yeah, and this is power switch.
Ah.
And B, this keep the app open and your glasses closed by until the update is complete.
Okay, so we got an update.
Okay, so that's gonna take a few seconds.
So tell me how you feel about them. You're excited?
I look very ugly, but if you move that camera, that's all I'm gonna say. How do I feel? I mean, I'm gonna look super cute wearing these, and we're gonna make some cute videos.
All right, so it finally finished doing the upload. So what does it say?
So it says use Hey Facebook to activate Assistant. So it's a wake word, so you can respond to your requests.
That's cool. So if you say, hey Facebook, it'll automatically turn on.
Yeah. Okay, so let's do Hey Facebook.
So as you can see in this video clip, we finally figured out how to use Hey Facebook. It was so loud that we already had it on and didn't realize it, but this is the Hey Facebook using stories, and so she's wearing the story glasses just to kind of give you a look to see what it looks like up close while we're drinking a Pisco Sour in Lima, Peru. I took a picture in the mirror just so you could see the picture quality. Here's an example of how you can use your RayBan story glasses and be completely stealth. Hopefully I don't get in trouble with this video clip and lose my global entry privileges, because that would really stink. One of the main reasons that we got these glasses was to be hands-free. So here's a really fun example of being hands-free playing the drums in Peru. So here is the final review of our RayBan glasses. Finally. Give me your, what do you got?
Well, absolutely love it. Not to mention that they all weigh the same, which is 107?
Yeah, 0.17.
0.17, yeah.
So I kind of gave them a bad review not that long ago because I said that they did not transition well. So we're on the porch and you can kind of tell they're transitioning. I'm gonna go stand more in the sun just so you can see them. And we do think this is a pretty good buy for these glasses though. So hopefully they will, if I stand like right in the sun, yeah. Now you can see that they got way darker. So just takes a little bit and you gotta be patient. But all in all, I'd say this is a win for RayBan Stories.